Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Boosted Garage 2.0, we have his new to him 2017 Honda Civic Type R. I've driven a few of these around parking lots and such. It's my first kind of extended drive-in one. He's going to be doing a pretty decent build on this, so go ahead, follow his channel for that. But we want to go back to drag racing, so let's get this video done and over with. This one's number 2060. All right.
Seats are not made for fat person.
Oh, they're not made for Americans.
Especially Italians.
Where's auto? Da-da-da-da. Oh yeah, you have to press that. That's on low. Good to go. Perfect, that's fine. Sweet. Stay.
Car has a mind of its own.
Yeah, no kidding. What are these? 301 horse? Something like that? 309.
I think. Don't quote me on it.
Oh, that's fun. That's fun. Do you know what the torque figure is on these?
I think right around the same.
Sweet.
296 to 300.
R mode, good.
And it's VTEC, so it's awesome.
Yeah, it does pull a lot harder in the upper RPM. I mean, torque down low because of the turbo. Well, that's great. Oh yeah, these have Brembos, don't they? Oh yeah, Brembo squeak. Makes you think your pads are worn out, even though they're not.
Oh yeah.
Because my Challenger has them, and it's awful. They're great brakes when they don't squeak at you constantly.
Oh yeah.
That's definitely one of the best shifters in the market. That's really good.
Yeah, I just bought this shift knob.
What is that, Acuity?
Yep. Oh, you know your stuff.
Well, it's the logo's down there. I'm not that smart. I might look it. No, I really don't look smart, but we'll ignore that.
I thought you knew it off your head. I was like, wow, that's crazy.
No, I know that's a very, very popular shift knob for these.
Yeah, the president of my car club, I bought it off of him.
Was it New England Type R?
Yeah.
Did you have this for HJ or no?
I wish.
That would have been fun.
Yeah, but Honda Fest is going to be bigger. It's up at Thompson Speedway.
Oh, down in Connecticut. That's about an hour and a half drive from me.
Yeah.
That's a fun track. I've driven it a few times. It's a fun track.
It's by far the best car.
Yeah, it's weird because in the yeah, there we go. In the Veloster N, I was like, yeah, I don't see the hype behind these when I only drove it in a parking lot, so I really shouldn't have been speaking, but no, they're fun. If you can find one without dealer markup from new, I think they're still marking these up, which is, I don't agree with, but
it's actually really cheap.
yeah, you got this one pre-owned, unless you put 30,000 miles on it in like 2 weeks.
Yeah, exactly. It's possible.
You'd have to go like back and forth from the country. Yeah, no kidding.
I did that in the Stinger. I drove from here all the way to Washington State. It was 3,096 miles. I'll never do that again.
Stock exhaust?
Yeah.
That doesn't sound bad from the inside.
For another day. I'm getting a muffler delete and a resonator delete soon.
Yeah, that would be nice.
And then I'm doing the intake and flex fuel and Honda, and I'll be right around 380 at the wheel.
Yeah, that would be fast.
And then I'm probably gonna wait to do the intercooler since winter's coming up and I don't need to do an intercooler right now, and all this is going to do is sit in the garage on jack stands.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to waste money on it until, I don't know, who knows. I say that now. But come January, I might call you and be like, hey, my car's built.
I'm down to do a before and after. That'd be fun.
Yeah.
Do you have any plans for the Stinger or no?
Sell it?
What would you replace it with? Crash it into a tree.
I don't know, to be honest.
Oh yeah. Straight header dump.
Probably a Jeep.
Those are fun. Get a Bronco. Everybody's buying a Bronco nowadays, so just buy a Bronco. I think, what are we charging? 50 grand markups on them?
I don't want to get the monitors, so I'm just going to keep my mouth shut on that one. I don't see the hype on them, they just don't look good to me. But I definitely like the, I used to have a Jeep Grand Cherokee, like a year and a half ago. Oh, you gotta go forth and hit 150. There you go.
Nah. I'm not gonna do that for the video. I don't want to get cops called on me.
I love the sounds it makes.
Yeah, it does make some really fun sounds. What is it, peak PSI? 23 PSI. That's not bad. I think my ST was 21.
Yeah.
Something like that.
My one of my best friends has one of these that's full bolt on.
It's not the one that's here tonight, is it?
No. He has intake, downpipe, front pipe, inlet pipe, charge pipe, intercooler, flex fuel.
So everything.
Yeah, it's intercooler. I mean, it's so nice. And the sounds that makes is just like, oof.
Man, there's so much torque down low.
To get this to about 550 horsepower, it only costs $5 grand. Because everything he has done is on modification wise is about $4,200. And then to get over 450 wheel, you need a bigger turbo, which is $1,800. And you need a different fuel pump.
Oh, that's phenomenal. Oh, that's awesome.
I tell people, man, there's no car that's going to beat this for the same
That's the
price.
best handling front wheel drive car I've driven.
There's nothing else. I mean, it has records at the Nürburgring for a reason.
Yeah.
Everywhere I go, I get thumbs up. On the highway, I get it all day.
Oh, when these launched, everybody was freaking out over them.
Dude, the 2022 is just so... Ugh. I'm so good about that car.
Oh, this is awesome. I thought the Veloster N was good. This is a lot better.
There's no windies around here.
I know, but thanks again, Matt. It's awesome.
You want to drive a little more, take a ride, do whatever you want to do.
You know what? I'm not gonna say no to that. No, try first gear.
Good luck.
See what happens.
Nothing. Zero to 60 in this car is phenomenal, even with that how much torque it has. It's crazy. I mean, I tried at the track. It was the issue with this car that I found to track is what's the
Wheel hop.
And that's just kind of why I got out of it, and that's why I ran a 14. But I feel like if I had a proper tire setup,
Oh
I
yeah.
should be in a 13s all day. Stock.
Oh, absolutely. It's impressive. Doesn't sound bad for factory.
No, it's awesome.
Where's the entrance?
Flip a Huey.
Yeah. Oh, they,
Seriously? Of course they.
of course.
have to do a third gear pull though before we shut the camera off. Like you have to do a full third gear.
What is it? 3,000 RPM.
You can hit it. It'll take this turn like nothing.
Yeah. Oh, that's fast.
I have never in my life had a car this fast that gets to 140 as quick as this car has done on a racetrack. Oh well, JK.
Alright, I want to drive it for a little bit with the camera off. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe to his channel. I'll have a link in the description so you can follow the build. But I'll see you all in the next one.